Hello guys. So now we are going to see uh how we can how we can make map drive easy. So let's go into our server. So what you do in mapping drive here, so you go inside your CD, local disk CD, local disk CD. So you create a file, you can call it like soft. So inside here, so you can go and share first the file. So you'll be sharing this file to other clients. So here is the server. So you go to permission, here permission. So you can remove this guy, everyone, you can remove him, and you add those people you want to share the drive. So you click OK, add IT, and add another guy. You have student, checking student. So we give them the full access. So you press OK, apply, OK. So you see now it's shared with this hand. The folder is empty. So let's make an empty file. Then we can call maybe name it, name and call it whatever you want. Maybe finance reports. So maybe you want to share this file to your organizations and those people. If you share like you want them to add some things there. So what you do, you go to the client PCs. In this case, we have XP1. So we still have restrictions. So let's go inside the server. We remove the restriction. So we go properties, count, program. We still have restriction here. So we permitting, okay. Then refresh. Again, try to log in. We just go. So we log in. Wait for some seconds. So let's open this guy before that one goes on. XP2. Open. And then so this goes up. So we'll be doing the next steps. Here, administrator. Okay. So what you do, you go here and you write this guy, you write the such as the IP address of the server. That's okay. So now you can see we have our drive. So what you do, come on right click and go to map drive. So we map drive it, you can give it like a rate we want, finish. So you see now, this is our map, our drive. So if you go here, you can see it. So is this one soft queue? So if you go inside, so you can create some new files again there if you want. Call it, let me see. So And in this one, maybe you can add 4, 5 expenses, like whatever you want. So, so maybe what you do, so we say save as, let's create another one, like buckets. So now we have like 3 files. So in the first, we have our information. So when you go to the server, so you see, sorry, when you see SoftQ, so you can see your files there are being shared also to the server. Now means it's working. So this is an easy way of how you can do mapping drive. So see you guys